So.
Hey, well, at least we caught it.
Oh.
We caught it.
Alright guys, so welcome back. So I just wanted to kind of share with you guys a little bit from now on going into the process of making videos for you guys and the things that I do to get there. So this is just one step of adding to another video that I'm already in the process of making. So first thing is unplugging this speaker. So we have to get this unplugged. I have to move a box out of my front seat. And this is going to go in my front seat for a minute. Step. That's your step. Put your hands. Set it down. Gotta move these forward first. Alright, go ahead. You're gonna lift it up. You have to lift it. Actually lift it up. Put it in. Yep. A little more. Here we go. Alright guys, and that's how we get the speaker box in. Now, all I gotta do is plug the wires into the wires, because this is down for sound box, and it has the connections on the outside of the box. They're not a plug-in wire, it's just like a bolt on the outside, and I have to actually just butt the wires together. I'm gonna electrical tape them, and then we'll have a video coming your way, guys, for the rest of the clipping video. Alright guys, so we'll be back. Appreciate you watching. 25 guys. Alright guys, welcome back. YouTube. What's going on, guys? So today we're going to talk about something that everybody needs to know about. Everybody should know about. A lot of people don't know about. They confuse it with things like seeing something. So today we're going to talk about clipping, and clipping subwoofers, clipping amplifiers. There's two basic ways of clipping. You can clip your amplifier and you can clip your subwoofer. So clipping your amplifier is turning it up too much and giving it too much power that the amplifier is not able, it should not produce, going beyond its technical limits. And it's basically the same thing with a subwoofer. You're going past its technical limits the equipment's built to go for. So if a subwoofer is, say, 2500 watts RMS and you're giving it 5000 and really giving it 5000, chances are you're probably clipping and you're giving it distortion, dirty power. And that can either come from, and it goes both ways now. You can have, say, a 5,000 watt amplifier on a 2,500 watt subwoofer and giving it 5,000 watts, or you can go the other way and have a 2,500 watt subwoofer and a 500 watt amplifier and giving it 500 watts. And then you're going to end up turning up your gains, you're going to end up turning up your bass and saying, oh, well, this thing can handle more. And at the same time, you're giving it distortion, you're feeding it dirty power, and now you are clipping. I've had people say, I can see your subwoofer clipping. I don't know there, buddy. I wouldn't say that I would ever say I could see somebody's subwoofer clipping. Now, hearing the subwoofer clipping in person, that is a possibility. Because you'd be hearing distortion where the subwoofer would be going past its limits, and you can hear the subwoofer clearly do, like, say, 32 hertz, and then they're feeding it distortion, and that same 32 hertz sounds kind of muddy. Well, that's probably distortion, and you're probably clipping your subwoofer. So I'm going to show you these on amplifiers. We're going to go both ways. I'm going to have a subwoofer that I'm going to give it too much power, and I'm going to have a subwoofer and give it not enough power. So we're going to go both ways and do both things, and hopefully we don't damage anything in the process. So guys, we'll be right back. I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like this video, I appreciate you guys hitting that like button. And if you're not a subscriber, I appreciate you guys subscribing. You can also become a member. Watch member videos. So guys, we'll be right back. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Get your bag of Doritos, your Pop-Tart, and your lemonade. We'll be right back. Alright guys, so today we're back. I hope you guys realize I didn't take all the pictures and video of stuff that I wanted to take pictures of. But I definitely got a lot of video. I tried getting stuff to get to the clipping point. I'm pretty sure I got at that place right now. So I got the tympanos back in the car. I got the Big Boss 3 back in the car. I unhooked one of my super caps. So I just have one super cap in the lithium battery right now. And I'm going to show you guys, I believe it's clipping at the amplifier, which I believe it's clipping the voltage, or not clipping the voltage, but the voltage is dropping, and it's dropping drastically really fast, and that's why it's sending a clip signal. I don't believe I'm not sure if it's clipping at the subs or not. That'll be another video, or I'll add it on, or I'll do a short or something. It is cold outside. I don't know if you guys can see my breath or not. But anyways, a lot of work I did here setting this up for you guys. I'll be right back. Alright, just so you guys can see have an idea of how the subs are moving. And then we'll move on to what the amp is putting out. Alright, so I'm sitting here with you guys watching the subs. What? Alright guys, I hope you guys get all that. I hope I don't have to block out the songs in this. Well, we'll see. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, now we're going to get an idea of what we're putting out for power. Alright, let's see if I can get the camera down there first. Alright, let's drop this down. Alright, we're using the Down for Sound SPL box. Zoom you guys back out here. Alright, let's see here. Alright. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get everything I want on camera. Let's see, I gotta get this. Oops. Turn that off. Turn that back on. And after I do this, then I'm going to show you the clip meter and what it's doing to the amplifier. I'm going to actually turn it up a volume because I don't I don't normally run it at that where it's going to be running. Alright, so let's see here. I got it on peak. Alright. So let's see what we're getting right now. I don't know if am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Alright. I might have to block out the sound, guys. Come on, baby, let's get it. Come on. So we got 3,251. All right. Now I'm going to close the trunk and see if that makes any difference. Close the trunk and see if that makes any difference. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera or not. Let me see if you... Let me take this off of here. Because I'm going to have to take it off anyways when I do the next part. This thing really stinks. There we go. Alright, let's see if you guys can see that there. It's all that shine, man. It's 3,251 at 0.6 ohms. So I'm getting barely any rise. I just closed the trunk. All right, so let's see here. We're gonna, I'll screw it on lightly, I guess. All right. Let's see here. I'll just screw it on enough to hold it. All right, there we go. All right. Let's see. I'm gonna try.
Great skin. Thanks. I got Old Spice body wash to thank
Block
for
all
that.
this stuff out.
He used to rely on me for skin care.
There we go. Playing or what? All right, what do we got? 4,667 watts. 4,667 watts. All right, I want to see if I'm clipping up front here. All right, let's see if we got any more. 4,667. I know I can do more than that because I've seen over 7,000 on this. So let's get that there. All right, I'm gonna go off one more volume on here and see what we get. All right, here we go. Okay, now that's setting off the clip light. And we got 7,025 watts. Now I'm not gonna do this all day. I'm just gonna show you guys real quick. I only went up one volume on there. It jumped up that much power. Let's see if I can see that here. Let's see if I can zoom in. This, man, I don't know why it can't see it. All right, well, I'm gonna do it so you guys can see the clip meter anyways. And I have a voltmeter sitting right next to it. This is the clip meter here, and that's what we're gonna be setting off. And this, just that one volume, is setting it to a clip signal. All right, so we got 14.8 for voltage, 14.6 at the super caps, and I think my battery, oh, my battery is 14.8. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna send that clip signal real quick, and you guys are gonna watch it on the meter. And just that one volume, guys, that's all I did. And you watch the voltage go down on the down here too. So that's what it's doing, is it's grabbing a lot of voltage all at once. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Timpano 3500s, tar amps, Big Boss 3. Let's see how much power we pulled that time. 7,127 watts. 7,127 watts, guys. All right, I appreciate you guys watching. As always, guys, take care of yourselves and each other. And that was at a 1/2 ohm to the amp, exactly a 1/2 ohm. So you guys know what to do. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching. Be good to yourselves and each other, guys. Peace. 25, baby.